Hey, hustlers, let me tell you that you can have $6,000 landing in your bank account every month effortlessly. How? Well, I've got to reveal the ultimate money-making machine through this video, and I'm about to show all the details on how you can turn those dreams into cold, hard cash. So, get ready to arm yourselves with enthusiasm as we dive in. Here we go. Step 1. Getting started with Cryptomus. Alright, first up, go to Cryptomus. It is your secret for making serious cash, like $66,000 a month, which is super easy to use. But what is Cryptomus, by the way? Cryptomus is basically like a magic wallet for handling all your money, but it's way cooler than your average wallet. It's a platform where you can send and receive money, especially cryptocurrency, which is like digital money, super quickly and safely. So if you're running a business or just managing your own cash, Cryptomus is your go-to buddy. It's like having your own personal bank that fits right in your pocket, that is way more flexible and doesn't make you fill out a bunch of paperwork. It's all about the cryptocurrency payment gateway, enabling efficient and fast transactions, making your money move smoother and easier. To fully understand Cryptomus, here's how you can benefit from it. Cryptomus has various payment methods. Cryptomus is like a one-stop shop for payments. If you prefer using your Visa or MasterCard, or you're into the world of cryptocurrencies, Cryptomus has got you covered. Multiple payment options are all in one convenient place, making transactions fast. Cryptomus is secure and reliable. With Cryptomus, you can rest easy knowing your money is safe and sound. Its transparent commission structures mean no hidden fees, and its strong security measures ensure your transactions are protected every step of the way, like having a virtual vault for your cash, keeping it locked up tight. Cryptomus has automatic conversions. Cryptomus takes it easy dealing with cryptocurrency price fluctuations. Its automatic conversion feature ensures that your digital assets are always protected from sudden changes in value. So whether Bitcoin is soaring or not, you can trust Cryptomus to keep your funds stable and secure. Cryptomus has fast and secure transactions. Say goodbye to long wait times and sketchy transactions. With Cryptomus, you can enjoy lightning-fast transactions that are securely tracked through blockchain technology. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your money, ensuring that every transaction goes off without a hitch. Cryptomus has a user-friendly interface. Cryptomus is designed with simplicity. Regardless of being technology-oriented or not, you'll find its user-friendly interface smooth to navigate. Accessible on both computers and smartphones, Cryptomus puts the power of financial freedom right at your fingertips, like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket, ready to help you make smart money moves wherever you go. Step 2. Registering with Cryptomus. Alright, time to get yourself set up for success. Registering with Cryptomus is super important if you want to make the most of your earnings. All you gotta do is sign up, check your email to verify it's really you, and then log into your account just like creating an account for your favorite app. Once you're in, you'll unlock all the tools and features you need to start making money moves like a pro. Step 3. Navigating your Cryptomus dashboard. Alright, now that you're logged in, let's check out your dashboard. You'll see two main things: your personal wallet and your business wallet. Think of these like your digital piggy banks, one for personal stuff and one for business stuff. From here, you can do all sorts of things, like sending and receiving money, checking your transactions, and staying on top of your payments, just like having your own control center for all your money matters, right at your fingertips. So go ahead, take a look around, and start making those money moves. Step 4. Setting up your business wallet. Alright, let's get your business set up with Cryptomus. It's all about making your money move smoother. First things first, let's integrate your business into Cryptomus. Just add your business info and adjust your payment settings to fit your needs, like setting up shop in the digital world. You want everything to run like clockwork, right? With Cryptomus, you can do just that. So go ahead, customize away, and get ready to see your business thrive in the world of online transactions. Step 5. Earning with Cryptomus. Cryptomus has this awesome thing called a referral program, and it's basically like getting paid to spread the word about how awesome Cryptomus is. Here's how it works. You sign up for Cryptomus, right? Then you start telling your friends, family, colleagues about it, and how it's helped you make money moves like a pro. Now, here's the magic part. Every time one of your friends signs up for Cryptomus and starts making transactions, you earn a little something called a commission. It's like getting a high five from Cryptomus for being such a good promoter. And the best part? You keep earning commissions for as long as your friends keep using Cryptomus. Talk about passive income, am I right? But wait, there's more. Cryptomus isn't just for your friends, it's for your clients too. If you're running a business, you can encourage your clients to use Cryptomus for their transactions. And guess what happens then? Yep, you guessed it. You earn commissions on their transactions too. It's like getting paid twice for doing the same thing. So, how do you get started with this referral program? Easy. Just head over to your Cryptomus account, find the referral program section, and grab your unique referral link. Then start spreading the word. Share it on social media, shoot out some emails, or just tell everyone you know. The more people who sign up using your link, the more commissions you'll earn. It's as simple as that. Step 6. Expanding your network. All right, here's a bonus tip to grow your money-making circle. Start reaching out to people who could benefit from Cryptomus, like website developers in top countries. Spread the word about Cryptomus and share your special referral link with them. When they sign up and start using Cryptomus, you'll earn a passive income. It's like planting seeds of opportunity and watching them grow into a money tree. So, how do you do it? Just create them an email, give them a call, or slide into their direct messages. Tell them all about Cryptomus and how it's helped you make money moves. And don't forget to share your referral link so they can join in on the fun too. The more people you get on board with Cryptomus, the more passive income you'll earn. It's like building your own little money-making empire, one referral at a time. So get out there, spread the word, and watch your bank account grow. With Cryptomus, making money while you chill is totally doable. You can earn $6,000 each month with little to extra effort. All you gotta do is go with Cryptomus and watch the cash flow in, like having a money-making machine working for you 24/7. So, what do you think about starting to make money with Cryptomus? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you've got any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on boosting your profitability. So why wait? Sign up for Cryptomus now and start making the most of your earnings. It's time to kick back, relax, and let your money do the work for you.